In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change speed without pitch in Audacity. If you've ever tried to make a clip play faster or slower and ended up with chipmunk voices or muddy low tones, this is the fix you've been looking for. We're going to adjust the tempo so the timing changes, but the pitch stays exactly where it is. First, open your track in Audacity. You can drag your audio file right into the Audacity window, or open it from your computer so it appears as a waveform on the timeline. Give it a quick listen to confirm you're on the right section and that your levels look healthy without clipping at the peaks. Next, select the part of the audio you want to change. Use the selection tool and click and drag over the exact portion you want to adjust. If you want to change the entire track, make sure the whole waveform is highlighted. Zooming in can help you place the selection more precisely, especially when you're working around words, beats, or transitions. Now go to the top menu and navigate to Effect, then Pitch and Tempo, and choose Change Tempo. This is the dedicated tool for altering speed without affecting pitch. You'll see a window with controls designed specifically for tempo changes that keep your voices and instruments sounding natural. Focus on the percentage slider. Dragging it to the right will speed up your audio, making it shorter in duration. Dragging it to the left will slow it down, making it longer. Positive values increase tempo, negative values decrease it, and throughout the process the pitch remains constant. Start with small, subtle adjustments, something like plus or minus 5 to 10%. So you can hear how the timing shifts without introducing unwanted artifacts. Spoken word content often tolerates a bit more change than complex music, but gradual tweaks generally sound more transparent. As you fine-tune, think about your goal. For narration, a slight tempo increase can add energy without making the speaker sound unnatural. For music, slowing down a little can create space and clarity. If you notice any warbling or smearing on transients, dial the percentage back towards 0 until the audio stays clean. That's all there is to it. Open your track, select the portion you want to modify, head to Effect, Pitch and Tempo, Change Tempo, and move the percentage slider to the right to speed up or to the left to slow down. With these steps, you'll change speed without changing pitch, preserving the character of your audio while getting the timing just right.